We all know rapper Kwesi Asa. Now, most of us, our na another I you follow or you Efia on social media and especially on Twitter. No, you realize that Efia is always tweeting about Kwesi Asa and how she is the number one fan of Kwesi Asa. Now, days ago, Sarkodie came on Twitter to say that he's the number one fan of Kwesi Asa, and there's no talks about it. And we all know that Efia Odo also they be not only videos and she's talking about his songs and blah blah blah. What's up? What's up? Yeah, that comes. That was me. Recently, Yana Kwesi Asa on an Chrome. Anna Okoshia, Oya actress and TV personality Nana Ama McBrown, host of United Showbiz on UTV. In Okoshia, no way a video, no posting, no okay, can say in a jovial manner. They won't forget if you're the canono and Oya number one fan. So the video has got people talking. The conversation is still on Twitter. Let's go and check out the video.
Are you serious? You don't know I live in a car.
No, I don't.
My first time meeting with Yada. Oh,
First time ever.
oh. Are you serious?
Never seen my own series, sir. I'm sure that.
Me who bet yes I know for my first time in shop. Kwesi Asa. Alright, when I come in, what on my shoes?
Oh, remember.
Just give me shit. When?
I need a hand. Oh, what happened to your hand?
I'm from Efia. Yeah. Before you hear me, so what have to send me that? You don't know about me like that.
Maximum.
When you send me a superstar.
Oh, me. I know. No, down there, I know.
I'm just kidding. But yes, I'm a big fan. I'm a serious fan. Underground more than Efia Odo. And she's talking too much. Efia, you don't know. We are the core fans.
So that is the video. So Wankasa was the one in ono na sister Efia Odo called Twitter because oh she's a fan ono no number one more be more team will be and then later I think with the first tweet, in my opinion, I think neither were I don't know World Cup too much, but then later on in her second tweet, no Ben no said oh and McBrown has browned me, just but then it's all jokes. So don't sit at home and then make it a big business, like a big deal. Biama, on shut down a big deal. Biada, men fun big deal. You know, where entertainers, they are in the showbiz industry. Until now, on the damn no more discover by more followers. Ma, Oberman Kofaka on was them to them. I bet na here make one was me. Honor no obey and also was you with the wind to know. I best stay glued to Ideas JTV and I'm also McBrown. Know that this is an interactive show, so you can get interactive with us via social media platforms at Ideas JTV on Instagram, Twitter, and also on Facebook. Instagram photos, no, and who be but not tagging room. You will share and say, well, there can was some, so now yes, I'm go on YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are also there. Click on the notification bell, cry.